In this example, we will factor the trinomial x squared minus 7x minus 18. What we need to notice on this problem is that the second term is negative and the third term is negative. We're going to use the trial and error method because the leading coefficient is 1. And our first step is to factor the third term. Since the third term is negative, we know that we multiply a positive times a negative or a negative times a positive. The factors of negative 18 are 1 times negative 18, 2 times negative 9, or 3 times negative 6. Notice that the middle term is negative. That determines which number will be negative in our factors. If the middle term is negative, the larger number will be negative. If the middle term is positive, the larger number will be positive. Now that we have our factors of negative 18, we're going to use these numbers to find the sum that is equal to the negative 7. So we add 1 plus negative 18, which is not negative 7, 2 plus negative 9, which is negative 7, 3 plus negative 6 is not negative 7. Remember, on each of these, there's only one set of numbers that will help us factor this polynomial. And in this case, we're going to use the factors 2 and negative 9. We're going to use these numbers to write two binomials, and those binomials will be x plus 2 times x minus 9. Now that we've factored the trinomial, now let's go back and check our answer. Use FOIL to multiply the binomials, and we see that x times x is x squared, x times negative 9 is negative 9x, 2 plus x, 2 times x, is 2x, and 2 times negative 9 is negative 18. Add our like terms. Negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. Notice that this is the same trinomial that we started with before we factored, and this proves that our answer is correct. We have factored the trinomial correctly because we can multiply the factors to go back to the trinomial.